You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we'll be looking at how to say more Japanese names, including from anime and manga series as well. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Sasuke. So, some people might think that it's actually pronounced Sasuke with a silent U, but the U is not exactly silent. It's just pronounced in a way that when you speak quickly, it does not really show off or show up that much in the pronunciation. So really in Japanese the pronunciation is as Sasuke, Sasuke, but often they pronounce the U very, very softly as Sasuke, Sasuke. Is how they pronounce it, Sasuke or Sasuke, Sasuke. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.